Hey, if you've been thinking about moving to Zephyrhills, Florida, stick with us. We're going back to Two Rivers and we're getting after it
right now.
If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so you can get those market updates on Zephyrhills and the whole entire Tampa Bay area.
My name is Debbie Diaz, and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group at eXp Realty. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, set up a Zoom, because we would love to help you make that smooth move to the Zephyrhills area.
So we're heading to Two Rivers again. We're going to focus today on Casa Fresca.
Yep.
But before so, we just had lunch here. We want to show you how close we are to an awesome mall, Wiregrass Mall.
Right, and we actually had salad here at Chuck Lager's. It was amazing. This place is so full of many different eateries. You've got Grill Smith, Panera, Noble Crust.
The living room.
The living room, yes, outside seating.
Azteca, Mexican food.
Pinchers.
Yeah.
There's a lot out here. And if you were in the Two Rivers area, this would be like one of the primary destinations, and it's only a 10-mile drive.
It's a full outdoor mall, Barnes Nobles, every shop, you know, most shops, what is it, Macy's or whatever,
Yeah,
all the big box shops and shoe stores, what have you.
So we are right on the corner right now at Bruce B. Downs and State Road 56. You're only about 2 miles maybe to getting onto Interstate 75 that's going to take you north and south. So proximity, you're going to be right close to everything.
We're 10 miles from Two Rivers, so that lets you know all the growth is about 10 miles away because this is already populated. But let's go check out Casa Fresca.
All right, we're going to stick to State Road 56 and take it up, and we'll be there in 5 minutes. Okay, so we didn't get here in 5 minutes. We got here in 16 minutes. So that just shows you how close we are to the corner of Bruce B. Downs and 56 to Two Rivers here in Zephyrhills. So in this community right here, we are gonna have a mix of 4 different builders. We've got Meritage Homes, Lennar, D.R. Horton, and Casa Fresca. Casa Fresca is going to have just under 400 homes right here in the Fieldcrest subdivision. And the amenity center called The Nest will be shared by those 4 builders in this one section. So you're going to have a resort style pool, lap pool, pickleball, cornhole. There's even going to be an outdoor fire pit. So there's definitely going to be stuff for you and the kiddos to do. So we're going to zip through the Gabriella. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with a 3-car garage. And I know it looks like 2 because that is going to be a tandem garage. So if you're wanting to pull jet skis or a boat in there, you could do that as well. So let's go check out the Gabriella. So if you're familiar with the Bold series that Casa Fresca did over in San Antonio and Mirada, this is going to be just a little more elevated. You're going to have pavers in the front and in your driveway. You are going to have quartz throughout the entire house, but it's still going to be where the homes come as they are. So no selection of, colors of the carpet, colors of the wall or anything like that. That's going to be predetermined. Come on into the Gabriella and see how this floor plan works for you. So as soon as we come into the home, we are going to have an office right up front. This can be a flex space if you needed to add double doors in here, so it could be a private work from home office. You can do that after the fact. There is a half bath right off of this flex space. So this is going to be perfect for your guests and visitors. And the one cool thing about this floor plan is there is 1 guest room down and it is not the primary suite. So it works out perfect for anybody that might have an elderly person living with them or just a perfect guest space. This is going to be that 3-car tandem garage. So as you see, it's going to be double wide, but it is going to be extra long. So when the husband comes home pulling those brand new jet skis, He can pull them right in and he doesn't not need to unattach them from the car. Great for storage. If you wanted to do a little workout area, throw some padding on the floor, that would be perfect as well. Directly across from the garage, you're gonna have what we call the Harry Potter room. This is gonna curve around to the side, but it's a great place for storing all your big items, Christmas tree, decoration, and things like that. So now we open up into the main living area of the home. Like I said, they're gonna do quartz everywhere throughout in their series here in Two Rivers. We've got a nicely sized pantry, gray shaker cabinets, a lot of them. You're not gonna need for storage anywhere. Undermount stainless steel sink with your stainless steel appliances. Now this overlooks your family room, so perfect for entertaining. You're not gonna miss a beat. You're all gonna be in one area. And then a very generously sized dining room. This, you can see, has 6 seats, but there's definitely enough room here if you wanted to do a little bit longer table or a round table. Very nice space. This is going to be that 1 bedroom that is located downstairs. They've got a queen size bed in here. You've got nightstands on both sides with your dresser and an attached ensuite, single vanity sink. We've got a shower tub combo in here and a very nicely sized walk-in closet. So this could be perfect for that guest or that child that needs a huge walk-in closet, because this is very nicely sized. Let's go upstairs and check out the other bedrooms. As soon as you get to the top of the stairs, you're going to be welcomed into a very nice bonus room. And I'm really loving all these windows throughout because it is just nice and bright in here. Huge room. You can see they've got several types of seating arrangements here, a gaming table, big, huge TV on the wall, and they've done some really neat decorating in here. I love the wood working that they've added here above this little gaming table. It just gives it some nice character. But remember, these are upgrades because this is the model, so it is made to look really nice. So on the left side of the stairs, we are going to have the primary, and it is equally as nice. They've done a stone on this back wall, accent wall, and it is trimmed out in brown wood, and it just looks really sharp in here. So you can see that this is a very, very nicely sized primary suite, big end tables there on each side of this king bed. We've got a gorgeous chase right here by the windows. Again, lots of natural light coming through, and prepare to be wowed in the ensuite. I love the selection they've done on wallpaper, and we're starting to see a lot of that lately. We've got quartz again on the countertops, dual vanity sinks, a private water closet, walk-in shower, and a very generously sized walk-in closet. Super long. You've got racks on 3 of the walls, and then you still have enough room here to do a shoe tower versus what have you. Nicely sized. So as we come out of the primary, we are going to head down this hall where we're going to have the 3 remaining bedrooms. You are going to find the upstairs laundry room, since the majority of the rooms are up here. So this is going to house your washer and dryer. This is going to be bedroom number 3. Nicely sized. Got a queen size bed in here, and these definitely are some very chunky nightstands. And again, a very nicely sized walk-in closet. And I love that they have doors on the closets and not bifolds. This is going to be bedroom number 4. Equally nice, queen size bed. Again, the big chunky nightstands. And an even bigger closet. There will definitely be some fighting going on who's going to get the bigger closet. These are very nicely sized walk-in closets in these secondary bedrooms. Now between bedroom number 4 and bedroom number 5, there is going to be another full bath. This is going to have dual vanity sinks and shower tub combo. And last but not least, bedroom number 5. They've got a full-size day bed in here set up, some really cute woodworking here on the walls, and of course, why would we be any different? A very nicely sized walk-in closet for bedroom number 5. So that was the Gabriella. Again, just under 3,200 square feet, a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with a 3-car garage. And I will say it was a very stunning home.
It's a great community. It's going to be huge. There are multiple, at least a dozen builders. We have multiple videos on this community already. We're coming back every week and opening another builder and another model. It's going to have a professional championship golf course.
Correct.
It's going to have an aqua park. It's going to have the grocery store up front. We have more videos explaining all this.
Schools are set to come here. I mean, it's going to be like its own little city. Again, 6,000 homes spread out over 6,000 acres. You can just imagine what will be here. If it's not today, not tomorrow, in the next several months, and actually across the next several years, this is just going to keep changing and changing and changing.
So I say it often because we go to a lot of new construction communities. If you're looking at getting something on the ground floor and see how it builds up around you and hopefully be here at the end and have a huge amount of equity, this looks like it's it. It looks like it's a great spot for that. With a dozen builders or so, they are offering huge incentives. They are helping you with a down payment. They're helping you buying down the rate, making the rate less than what it is by buying it down ahead of time. They're helping you with closing costs. I mean, it's like the perfect time to buy right now.
What's not to like? Yeah. One of the things that we were talking about in our other videos is a lot of these builders, you are just getting some amazing lots. You're going to get anything from 40s to 50s and 60s. Casa Fresca is doing 40s and 50s. And if you look across here, you're getting a very deep backyard. So those of you that are wanting to put in a pool and have a nice covered lanai, extending out your lanai from the house, if you're wanting to put in a little jungle gym for your kids, a trampoline, you're definitely going to have a lot of room in these backyards.
If you're looking to make that move to the Zephyrhills area, anywhere around the Tampa Bay area, make sure you give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. Let's make a Zoom call. Let's get in touch. Remember, the reps inside the model centers represent the builder. Walk in here with your own representation and we can talk about that more.
All right. So if you do have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below because we would love to help you make that smooth move.
The Zephyrhills or the Tampa Bay area.
Bye now.